All right, so now I'm going to show you the more traditional way to add two fractions with unlike denominators. Now, one thing I'm going to mention is if you do not understand why we convert these and how it works or why it goes the way it goes, then I recommend you watching the video where I do the visuals. The visuals will kind of show you the why. This is more of the just the how, okay? So I have 2/3 plus 3/6. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to write both fractions, both numbers, vertically. Okay, remember vertical is up and down, okay? So I'm going to write them both vertically. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just use 6 as my denominator. Why are you going to use 6 as your denominator? Because it is the larger denominator in the problem. So I'm going to put 3/6, I'll put some space, and I'm going to put 3/6 here. 6 is the denominator of my choice, so I'm going to put 6 here, all right? Now, I need to figure out what my numerator is going to be for my equivalent fraction. So the first thing I do, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use multiplication to help me. I'll write multiplication, fraction line, equal sign, okay? Now I ask myself, 3 times what equals 6? 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. What I do to my denominator, I do to my numerator. So I'm multiplying 2/3 times 2 over 2. The reason why it's 2 over 2 is because that equals 1 whole. So when we're making equivalent fractions, we're essentially multiplying it by other fractions. It's the same as multiplying it by 1. So I do 2 times 2, which is 4. Then I'm going to finish this problem by adding my numerators. The denominator stays the same. In addition and subtraction, the denominator stays the same. Over 6. 4 plus 3 is 6. Now, I have 7 over 6. That is an improper fraction. What if my solution is a mixed number? I look at my choices and it's a mixed number. I have to take the 7 over 6. What I use is division to help me do this. So I'll do 6 divided by 7. 6 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 is my numerator. 6 is my denominator. So 7 over 6 equals 1 and 1/6. All right, I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have questions. Of course, remember all of the steps are in the caption.